Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Airstream International 23FB. Here we can see the international badging, and this is, well, I won't say, I'll just get inside and show you. Very nice floor plan, and it's my favorite floor plan, personally, when it comes to any of the Airstreams. So as we step up inside, I love the coloring in here. Let me close that famous door. And there's what I wanted to show you. We have twin beds, and we'll get to that in a moment, but I just love the color in here. It kind of gives, this is more gray, but it kind of gives a blue, like a robin egg haze. Very, very attractive, and I love the lighting behind the cabinets. And we'll go ahead and show you some of that. And LED lighting throughout. We have cabinets right inside. Nice, let me hit my light. You can see how deep that is. And naturally it goes the distance. And let me close that and I'll show you. So that's the locked position. When I push the button in, that allows you to pull that out. So spice rack. I even talked to one person. They said they put their tennis shoes and flip-flops in there. That's kind of different, I guess. Nice deep sink and pull down spray nozzle. And here again, very, very nice fit and finish. Let's go ahead and open this up. There's your utensil caddy, which in my opinion is one of the nice classy touches of Airstream. And then we have 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator and freezer, and very nice size for this size of an RV. So nice and deep, as you can see. And then this freezer, I think, is very impressive, the amount of space that you have with it. You have your fuse panel on the bottom. I did not show you, well, let me back up and I'll show you the U-shaped dining. And then we have the cabinet above. We have additional LED lighting pucks, your stereo system. What I realized I didn't show you is here's your power shutoff as well as your controls. And then you have your white eraser board. And then these are new hooks, I believe, for 24. I haven't seen these before. So that's kind of a new look as well. And then we'll take a look at additional cabinet space here in the kitchen. Great place to put bottles of wine. I'd put bourbon in there myself. Nice deep cabinet, and then you have place for your hang-up clothes. And then let me see if I can get this light to work. So additional place for hang-up clothes. And then we'll get into the bedroom, and I'll show you the bathroom here in a moment. But here's the twin bed configuration, and personally I like this the most. In my opinion, you have more room to move around. So you have a cabinet here. Great place to hang up some clothes. And I just really like the twin bed setup. Gives you more room to move around. And then a great place, you have plugs here. If you have a, God forbid if you had an alarm clock or CPAP machine or something like that, we'll turn around and flat screen TV. And that does articulate so you can swing it out so you can see it from your dining table should you want to watch TV. And then here's additional cabinet space, and it's backlit with the LEDs. And then you also have the task lighting. So if you're reading in bed, you can move these around. Very nice. And we have cabinet space down below. And you have tubs here that you can store items in. So that's one unique thing about RVs. They take advantage of all the available space. And speaking of which, there's a nice cubby there that you could put, great place to put book or reading glasses or whatever. So we'll take a look at the bathroom now as we complete our look of the International 23FB. So great looking color on the cabinets. and plenty of space for storage. And then you have your commode, and then we'll stainless steel sink, very similar to what you'd see in an aircraft. And you have your articulating mirror, and then your shower, and you have a nice shower wand. You also have your clothesline that you can pull across, hang up swim trunks or towel or whatever. And then you have a seat or a bench, or if you have to put your foot up there. Very, very nice. So, and then the nice smoked glass that you get with Airstream. So thank you very much for watching. Again, 2024 Airstream International 23FB Twin. There's a link below. This is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. There's a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Thanks again. We'll catch you on the next one.